guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be teaching you and talking about this game Bethlehem, Coming to Jesus.
Coming to Jesus.
I don't know.
We're gonna have a come to Jesus meeting today. So this is a little bit of a different video because this is one of our favorite Christmas traditions. The game was created by Todd Wilson and his family. If you've been to any homeschool conferences, he's a regular speaker on the homeschool conference circuit. He's probably one of my favorite male speakers. So anyway, he and his children, his family, created this game. So it's created by homeschoolers. It's for homeschoolers. Let me just show you how it works. So this game is called To Bethlehem. Here's how you know it's for homeschoolers. 2 to 10 players. Oh, Drew, so you can have 8 kids, still play this game. Or you could have 10 kids and mom and dad just sit out. Ages 4 to 104. So there's a lot of fun things in here. So let's get it set up and show you how it works. All right, it is all set up. So you've got your board, all kinds of pegs. You have all these colors, but since we are just a little game of 4 today, we went patriotic.
No, we did not. We didn't plan that.
We didn't plan it. That's just who we are, right? We're
Red,
patriots.
White, blue, and mom's the bull.
And then every player starts with 5 shekels.
Will you trade in 5 shekels
Yes.
for my 5 shekels?
And there are plenty more shekels where this came from. There's a whole bag full of shekels here.
Because you can
Then
earn more.
Yep, you can earn more. But so you've got campfire cards. These are going to have little activities on them, like what is your favorite Christmas dessert? That's what makes this game so fun, is you're sharing fun memories, you're sharing things that you like. It's just family time. Trader Moe's parking pass. This is Trader Moe's right here. Or you can purchase Trader Moe's and get the deed of ownership. So basically, it's pretty basic. It's super easy, right? You roll the dice and then you move. And then there are things on the game. You just do what it says.
So if you land on the campfire, right here, so the campfire, yeah.
Right.
Then you have to pick one of these white cards here, and it asks you a question, and you just share it with everyone. And one of my favorite questions on there is one time it asked us to hum your favorite Christmas carol and have someone guess it. That was really fun.
This is literally, that's why it says ages 4 to 104, because you could maybe even have a 3-year-old try to play this. It's not hard at all. But there's things on here that you just do. So Uncle Simeon gives you 1 shekel to help you on your journey. Zechariah lost his voice because he didn't believe you can speak. You can't speak until someone rolls a 1. Done that one before? That's Drew's favorite one. Don't speak. Yep. Right? He said this game is challenging for him because he has to get up and do things.
Oh, yeah. And the best part is, like, if you're really close to little Jesus right there and you land on this, you have to go all the way back right here, and you have to go like all the way around back.
Yep. So you have to land exactly on Jesus. Is that how we play it?
Yeah.
So anyway, there's little things here to move you all the way around, but this is where the action is.
Oh wait,
Is in these
also
cards. Describe your favorite Christmas tree ornament and tell why you like it. What do you think a pioneer Christmas was like?
And also my favorite part is one of these, I don't really know which one, but it's either a card or like one of these little questions. It says something and it goes to Jonah's pit, and you have to say in Jonah's pit, like on this
Joseph's pit.
Joseph's pit, whatever, until someone lands a 6.
Yep, we've been stuck there for a while, haven't we?
That's what it's talking.
And there's other fun things on here, super fun things. Look, you're hungry, so go grab a small snack to share with everybody.
Oh, I want to land.
There's something on here too about being a shepherd, and you have to put a kitchen towel on your head and be a shepherd. A super fun game, so we're gonna play it and we'll show you some of the fun things that could pop up here. This game is also fun to play like when you're with extended family, so we've taken it to extended family gatherings before and introduced like cousins to it. Played it with grandparents before. It's just a fun one, especially to play with grandparents because they have a lot of unique memories to share. Drew to Scott, you can't speak.
Your turn.
His favorite.
You want to decide.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's it say? Hum a Christmas song. The first traveler to name the tune gets 1 shekel from you.
Wait.
Hum a Christmas tune. Wait, they get 1 shekel from me, so I should pick a tune that's hard because I don't want to pay. I like my money.
Oh, you're gonna have to pay either way.
Nuh-uh, you have to guess it.
Yeah, you're gonna have to pay either way, cause you keep doing it until someone guesses it. Come on, you faithful.
Dang it.
When do we play this game on Christmas Eve?
No.
Whose turn is it?
We play it sometime on Christmas.
Natalie wants to play it all the time. I have to hide the game once Christmas is over. That's how we keep it special.
Natalie.
I'm down to 2 shekels.
1. Imagine dressed on the Christmas.
Bert, it's getting cold. Put your socks on your hands until you roll a 4.
Socks on your hands till you roll a 4. This is what you love about this game. Put your socks on your hands. Whose turn is it? Go.
What do you think the richest person in the world's Christmas is like? I think there's a bunch of desserts, a big Thanksgiving,
So what's Elon
especially
Musk's?
a turkey. If we're talking about Elon Musk here, let's say he has 5 Teslas outside. I don't know.
Probably more.
I bet you there's a lot of gifts, like a lot.
What do you buy somebody who's got it all?
A Tesla.
A Tesla. Yeah, that's right. Maybe a Ferrari or a Lambo too. I don't know. Limo.
Probably already owns.
You can't buy love, can you?
You've been
Betrayed by servants. Go to Joseph's pit.
We have the whole cup.
6.
Let's
1,
go.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So you're both out now.
What's it say? You're tired. Sit on someone else's lap.
Oh no!
Until your next roll.
Oh no! No, I'm too weak for this.
Who can withstand
Go
it?
get Dad.
Dad's not playing with us.
He's doing shit.
No, not me. Do not through. Let me sit on your lap.
No, she can't see. Or now,
Well, she turned her chair.
Natalie, I'll roll for you.
Now you got sit on someone's lap. Is this one better, Nat?
She's my little baby.
Wait, that's
You
an
forgot
advantage.
to kiss your mother goodbye. Return to start and give your mother a kiss.
Okay, Snatch.
Why'd you call her a cucumber?
How much points do you have?
This is the kid's favorite one when the game's coming to an end. Elijah's rest stop. Last stop before Bethlehem. Get up and flush the toilet. Isn't that your favorite one? Yes! Finally. Describe what you feel on Christmas when you go to bed. Oh, Christmas Eve when I go to bed. What do I feel on Christmas before bed? Well, our Christmas tradition isn't necessarily open presents in the morning because we don't do Santa Claus, do we? Sometimes we open, actually most of the time we don't open Christmas in the morning, Christmas presents, do we? We open them a lot on Christmas Eve. Sometimes Christmas evening, it just depends on the year because we go to Grandma's on Christmas Day.
And
So most of the
also-
time we're cooking food on
and-
Christmas morning.
And also, This year, Christmas is on a Sunday, so we might open our presents on Christmas Eve.
There is something magical though about Christmas Day, even if you don't like rush down and open presents. There's just something peaceful about that day, don't you think?
Decorations.
Yeah, it's the decorations.
The decorations. Remember the tradition, you guys, when we used to get the air mattress out and let you guys sleep near the Christmas tree with the air mattress with the lights on all
we did
night?
that last year too.
You guys like having a slumber party by the Christmas tree, don't you?
Yep, and then one year I laid my sleeping bag down literally right under the Christmas tree and slept. And when I woke up, I'm like, I don't remember being under the Christmas tree.
Whose turn is it?
Natalie's.
I wanted to give you some more ideas of what's in these campfire cards here. Describe the perfect Christmas morning breakfast. Not breakfast casserole, right? I made my kids breakfast casserole one morning because that's what my mom would make, and they were disgusted by it because they don't like cheese and all the stuff that was in it, and it was just like the most horrible thing, and Dad said, eat it or else. This is the worst Christmas breakfast ever. So now we try to do something more like French toast casserole or cinnamon rolls, right?
Or
Talk about a family you can help this Christmas. What could you do for them? I know, I'm just showing them what else is in these cards. Describe a favorite Christmas tradition you'd like to have but don't have yet. Describe how you go about wrapping a gift. What do you like best about family gatherings at Christmas time? Name a gift you always wanted but never got. Where's your favorite place to go at Christmas time? So even if you didn't even play this game and you just went through these cards, you could learn a lot about each other and just have fun sharing.
yeah, we got the snack one. I'm starving.
It's also nice, this game comes with these little bags, so this is where the game pieces and the cards are stored. So like if you dropped the box, the stuff wouldn't come out, and the shekels are stored in this cute little bag, so it's very neat and tidy in the box. So we highly recommend this game. I will link it below where you can purchase it. Great for homeschool families, great for Christians, great for just family sharing and family bonding. A great Christmas tradition. For other games that we like to play, check out this video and this video right here. And until next time, bye.